How far are you willing to go into this magical continuum of all life? We can go around in circles, questioning this, but in the end, we won't know the full answer. Life just keeps going around and around and around in complete circles, and we will never really figure anything out. Nothing. We won't figure anything out. Nothing will be figured out. But in the end, our own subjective truth will keep coming out. We will get spirit guides. We will get high-earned information, and we will go into a further understanding. The strangeness of life. You will never really understand what you get or anything of the matter of life. Everything you get, you tend to ask for. And that right there is kind of hard to explain because it comes with experience. That's the type of thing that comes with experience, and goes under a lot of scrutiny and conjecture as well, because there's a lot of power in everything that you can say. So, yeah, there is a lot of questions that mankind wants to answer, but every single answer that you come across always tends to be either incomplete or complete bullshit. So you can never really trust what anybody says about the final answers of life, because it's kind of that simple, but yet very complicated. I can be the guy to tell you that the purpose of life is to reincarnate until you unlock some sort of infinite potential of your human being. I could be the one to tell everybody that. But yet at the same time, there are many other things I could say, such as the DNA, the chromosomes of the human eugenics, that the point of life is about perfecting that. Oh, but not this, it's not that. So, the answers of life are completely a variable. Your own perspective, your own perception eventually becomes your own unique yet unfulfilling answer. So, yeah. There are many, many different people that will take that as a legitimate answer. That evolution is the purpose of life, or the reincarnation is the purpose of life, or there is some form of species out there that tend to be alien, or that we are watched over by God, or by multiple gods. But in the end, you don't actually know what the whole point is. And no matter how much you try, all you can do is matter to yourself, matter to everything else in your life, but mostly own yourself. That is the point, one of the biggest points of life. And you will notice this when you stare off into the sunset and wash away all the grime and